Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Kauser, and you're watching my YouTube channel Kauser Shanbani. So today we know about organizing the mailing list. Guys, if you're new to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates. So let's start. Organizing your email list is an important step in any email marketing campaign. A well-organized list will help you send targeted and relevant emails to your audience, which can increase the chances that your emails will be opened and acted upon. Here are a few tips for organizing your email list. Segment your list. Group your subscribers into smaller lists based on common characteristics such as location, interests, or past purchases. This will allow you to send more targeted and relevant emails to each segment. Use tags or labels. Use tags or labels to classify your subscribers based on their interests or actions. This will make it easier to send targeted emails to specific groups of people. Clean and update your list regularly. Remove inactive or invalid email addresses from your list to improve deliverability and avoid being marked as spam. Use a reputable email service provider. A reputable email service provider will help you manage your list, track the performance of your emails, and comply with spam laws. It is very important to organize all the email addresses that you have gathered. All you have to do is to combine all the emails you collected in one single mass email list, so that in the end, you have got all subscribers in one single file. I prefer to use MS Excel for combining the list. After combining the list, you may need to export it in text or a CSV file as required by your mailing client. You can convert an Excel worksheet to a text file by using the Save As command. Click the Microsoft Office button. Click Save As. In the Save As type box, choose the text file format for the worksheet. For example, click Text, tab Delimited, or CSV, Delimited. Don't forget to do some sorting to avoid any invalid emails. An organized email list can be very useful for managing and communicating with a group of people. Here are some steps you can follow to create an organized email list. Determine the purpose of your email list. This will help you decide what type of information you need to collect and how you will use the list. Choose a tool for creating and managing your email list. There are many email list management tools available, such as MailChimp, Constant Contact, and Aweber. Collect the email addresses of the people you want to add to your list. You can ask people to sign up for your email list on your website, through social media, or by collecting email addresses in person. Create categories or segments for your email list. This will allow you to send targeted messages to specific groups of people within your list. Set up an opt-in process. This will ensure that people who are added to your list have agreed to receive emails from you. Set up an automated welcome message. This message should thank people for signing up and provide them with any information they need to know about your email list. Create and schedule your email campaigns. You can use your email list management tool to create and schedule email campaigns to be sent to your list. Monitor and analyze the performance of your email campaigns. Use data from your email list management tool to understand how your campaigns are performing and make any necessary adjustments. So that's for today, guys. In the next tutorial we learn about formatting emails, validation, opt-in, opt-out. If you learned some information about organizing the mailing list, so please like this video and give your feedback on comments box. Guys, if you're new to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.